Dear children, today I am going to teach history lesson 3rd, page number 62, the sense of collective belonging. Eventually, the people belonging to different region and community began to develop a sense of collective belongingness, and thus nationalist movement spread. This sense of collective belongingness developed through the experience of united struggle. A number of culture processes also made their contribution to it. History, fiction, folklore, song, popular prints and symbols all played a part in the making of nationalism. Creation of identity for nation. The identity of a nation is mostly symbolized in a figure or image. In the 20th century, the identity of India came to be visually associated with the image of Bharat Mata. This image of Bharat Mata was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870. When the wrote Vande Mataram for our motherland, later this song was included in his novel Anand Math and was widely sung by the freedom fighters. The image of Bharat Mata was first painted by Avinendranath Tagore. Later the image acquired different form as it was drawn by different artists. Development of nationalism through folklore. Indian folk song and folk tales sung by bird wandering poets played an important role for making the idea of nationalism. These presented true picture of traditional culture which was later on cooperated by foreigners. In Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore and the Madras Netsa Shastri collected massive collection of folk tales and songs which led the movement for folk revival. As the national movement developed, nationalist leaders accepted the symbols which unified people. Design of national flag. During the Swadeshi movement, a tricolor red, green, yellow flag was designed in Bengal. It had 8 lotus represent 8 provinces and a crescent moon representing Hindu and Muslim. By 1921, Gandhi designed a Swaraj flag. It was a tricolor having a spinning wheel in the center representing the Gandhian ideal of self-help. Carrying this tricolor flag, red, green and white, holding this flag overhead during the marches became a symbol of challenging for the British. Nationalism through Indian Asian history. An Asian history began to be interpreted, treated in right way. The nationalist writers urged the readers to take pride in India's great achievement in the past and struggle to change in the miserable condition of life under the British rule. Problem in the unification. Unification of people involved some problems when the past that was being glorified was Hindu and the images celebrated were taken from Hindu iconography. The people of other communities felt themselves ignored and left out. कंक्लूजन के रूप में देखें, an important feature of the nationalist movement was the forging together of diverse groups under the leadership of Gandhi. For various social groups had different grievances, yet they were unanimous in their cry for freedom for foreign rule. Important terms also read and learn: Satyagraha, Rowlatt, Boycott, Swaraj, Picket, Khadi, बेगार, पूर्ण स्वराज, हरिजन, ये आपके इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं, इनको देखें। और व्हाट हैपन एंड व्हेन, ये डेट्स दी हैं, ईयर हैं, इनको लिखें और याद करें। थैंक्स।